So I recently bought this 4-shelf magnetic spice rack for our kitchen, and I really love it. We used to have about 5 or 6 of these little Tupperware dishes in our cupboard with all these different spices in it, and it was always hard and messy, and it took up a lot of room. And so this spice rack just solves all those problems for me. What I particularly like about these jars is that they're glass, and they all have a little different wooden top, and it kind of looks, I think it looks cool. They have the shaker portion on the top, but you can also open up the tab and measure out a little bit more if you need for your recipes. I like that the labels are easy to read. The text is big enough that you can see it from afar. And for somebody whose eyes are a little bit older, it's always great. Now, when it comes to labels, you have options. They come pre-printed and you can choose white or black. They have circular or square, so it's whatever your preference is. Now, what I also like about these racks is that they're single row, so you don't have to move bottles around to see what you have. It's all really visible. The security bar does not impede the text, and so I love that. The magnets are solid, and it's all solid along the back here. So once you put the shelf on your fridge, it feels really sturdy. You can move it around if you need to level it out, but it's an easy spice rack to use. It comes with this handy little funnel. I didn't find that I needed that, but it's an option. Anyway, it's been a great addition and to our kitchen, and it solves a lot of my problems, and I think it looks great. So I recommend this product.